For today's total body workout, you are going to be doing a pyramid workout. All right. So it's going to be a little more challenging than some of the other workouts, but that challenge is going to be up to you. So to complete today's pyramid workout, you're going to see the reps increase and then they decrease. We're going to kind of go up the pyramid and go back down. So below the exercises are numbered 1 through 9. You'll do them in that order. So you'll start in the bottom left corner. You'll do exercise 1, and then you'll go to the one right above it, which is exercise 2. And the one right above that is exercise 3. Once you get to the top of the pyramid, you'll go back down the right side. Okay, so up on the left and down on the right. Once you do exercise 1 through 9, that's going to equal 1 round. If you do 2 to 3 rounds, you did the beginning or the beginner level today. Okay, if you do 4 or 5, intermediate, 6 or 7, that would be the expert level. So it's going to be your choice on how many rounds you want to do. All of them get you the same amount of points, but if you want more of a challenge today, go for it. Okay, try out level 3. So you have to start down here in the bottom left corner. You're going to do 5 burpees. Then you're going to do 10 push-ups, 15 tricep dips, 20 mountain climbers, and 25 sit-ups. Then you're going to go back 20 mountain climbers, 15 tricep dips, 10 push-ups, and 5 burpees. That is 1 round. Depending on how many rounds you want to do, you can come back over, go back up, and go back down. All right, once you are done, you're going to complete your exit ticket talking about which level you did and your thoughts on the workout.